Hello everyone, it's Caroline and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a very colorful makeup look, as you guys can see, because I just got the new Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Well, it's not new, but like to me it's new. But you know what I mean. So this is the look I came up with. It's kind of like a neon kind of vibe thing. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just did my eyebrows and one of my eyes off camera to save some time and figure out what I was doing, and this is the look that I came up with. It's like very colorful and fun. So if you guys are ready to see how I did this on that eye, then keep on watching. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm gonna start off with this really light yellow shade up here, and I'm just gonna put that like almost near my brow bone and blend that out basically. So let's do that. Okay, so once the shadow is on, I'm gonna take the darker yellow and just blend that out into the light yellow that we just put. Okay, so after applying that color, I'm gonna take this very light lime green over here and once again blend that out into the shade that we just used. Also, the brush that I'm using is the M433 brush from Morphe. If you guys wanna, I don't know, just wanna know. Once that is applied, it looks very like neon yellow, which is kind of what we're going for here. Then you're gonna take this, I don't know what color green that is, but this medium green color. It's not too dark nor too light. And once again, blend it out. Here's what I'm gonna do, because while I was doing this eye, I had some trouble because I put white eyeshadow on top of the concealer after I did my brows, and the pigment just wasn't working, and now like the yellow is like really popping. So I'm gonna add concealer on my lid before I move on to the other colors, because that really helps. And like once I put concealer on and I then put the eyeshadow, I was like, whoa, okay. That is a lot of pigment. So I'm just gonna put that as if I was cutting the crease, and I'm just gonna blend it out with my blending brush, beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna put some on the outer corner too, because I didn't really get it there, but it's gonna make such a huge difference, guys, I'm telling you. Alright, so I'm gonna take that green shade again, this one right here, and blend that out. So yeah. See, the difference is already huge now. I can actually see the green. So that is amazing. And I'm gonna take that a little bit higher because I want to put, just like the other one, I have like a teal going on like in the middle right there, and it's like really up there. So I'm gonna bring the green up. Another thing that helps with the pigment is having your brush like damp, not too wet, because then it just doesn't really blend it well. But having a little bit of water on your brush really helps keep the pigment in the shadow, you know, when you apply it on your eyes. So, well, okay, that is like hella pigment. Do you see that? Like, when I first used this palette, I was thinking of returning it because I was like, okay, I'm not getting pigment, but those two things really help. So now I'm gonna take this teal shade right here, and I'm gonna blend that into what I just did. And if you feel like the pigment is not coming out, just put concealer like right under what you're doing, and it'll help. Should help a little bit. So now I'm gonna cut the crease with the same concealer. By the way, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. It looks like that. And I'm gonna take, where's the brush? Okay. I'm taking the Morphe M421 brush for concealer. So I'm just picking up a little bit of the product at a time, because I don't want to put too much, but, and I'm going to take a slightly smaller, well, not a slightly, like a much smaller mirror, and I'm just going to cut the crease. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and kind of like pat that in a little bit, especially on the outer corner. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my brush, if I can find it. Okay, this one, the M433, and I'm gonna get more of the teal color that we used before, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. So once that is done, I'm gonna take this dark blue down here, and I'm gonna put it like really on the outer corner. We're gonna take this teal color up here, and we're gonna start blending that out to the middle of our lids. So now I'm gonna take a very small brush, and I'm gonna take this baby blue over here, and I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. Once you've done that, you're gonna take this black over here and put it in the inner corner just to create some depth. Now we're gonna move on to the bottom, which is pretty simple. I'm just gonna apply concealer just to make the shadow pop, just like we did before. And I'm gonna blend this out with my beauty blender. Now I'm gonna take this hot pink over here and apply it all over our bottom lids. Well, bottom lids, is that even the same? Is that even the same? I don't know. Well, under our lash line, you know what I mean. I'm gonna take this purple right here and I'm just gonna blend it out with the top portion. Okay, so once that is done, you're gonna very carefully take a concealer brush with the slightest amount of concealer that you can possibly have, and you're gonna put it on your lower lash line. If you have like a colorful liner that you want to use or a white liner, I recommend using that because I don't know, you might get concealer in your eye. I'm just gonna do this like in this mirror so that I can pull this down. Now I'm gonna take a small brush like that. This is an e.l.f. brush. And I'm gonna take this red right here and I'm just gonna put it over there where we just put concealer. Now I'm just gonna top this off with mascara and do the rest of the face. So this is the completed makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed how the look turned out. At first, like I said, the pigment was really weird and I was thinking about returning the palette, but actually just use concealer and voila, this palette is actually really good. So let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Like, comment, I just said that, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.